give you a quick rundown on how this tool works. So you have, once you open up the tool, you make sure that if you get a prompt in the middle of the screen to enable macros, that you do so, or the same might happen here as a yellow security warning bar. Once you're all set, next step is to browse for a file that you want to import. In that case, you find one particular that has the phone numbers. You import that, it lands on the imported tab. Ideally, you import a CSV file or an Excel file, and make sure that if your workbook has multiple tabs, note that it's always going to import the first tab into the imported, and that's actually what gets processed in the end. Then the next step here, it says columns to keep, enter column letters, comma separated, so you decide which column names you want to keep. So in this case, let's go D through H. We can keep that. So you do one at a time, like that. And then you can decide how to export the file, Excel, CSV, or text, depending on what you need it for. You confirm the columns that you want to keep. And then what it will do, it's going to go through all of the phones. So in the end result, this 14927 address, Sugarland, is going to have 2 lines because it has 2 phone numbers. So we hit process. It tells you where the data gets exported, so it's basically the same location where the tool is saved, subfolder files. And then note, before you close down the workbook, it's automatically going to remove your imported tab and reset itself for the next one. Now we can go back and open up the actual file that got exported. And you get 2 files. One is all phones and one is no phones. The no phones are records that do not have a phone number from the list. And then all phones is a file that actually has all of the phones in it. So this is the first one, 14927 Sugar. And then Sugarland got 2 phones, and as you can see, they're all properly formatted for your usage. That's it.